Hello everyone, today we have our one sample SSD and one bootable pen drive. So now we are going to give Windows on our laptop. So let's check it. So we already changed our SSD. In my last video I show you how we can change SSD easily in our laptop. So now I'm going to put my bootable pen drive into it. So here's the USB port. Okay, now let me open my laptop. And let me press the bootable key of laptop. Okay, now you can see it's showing Windows setup. So now we need to click on. Okay, you can see the language to install English unit tested, time and current format is English also unit tested. So make it like this and click on next, and keyboard US click on next, and install Windows 11. Yeah, click on every button and then click on. You need to click on next again after selecting this one. Click on next. Okay, it's asking for the product key. I don't have a product key, so click on this and wait for a second. It's showing you are getting a few things ready. Okay, it's ready. So let me choose which one we can do. Windows 11. Okay, let's go with Windows 11 Pro. So select this and click on next. It's again showing okay. Applicable loading notice and license term. Okay. Okay, just click on accept. It's okay. Okay, it's loading. Let's see how long it takes. Okay, now it's asking for partition. You can see there is a partition M.2 SATA. Okay, so this is our SSD. It's showing partition 2 M.2 SATA 120, and the total size is 111.8 GB and free space. Okay, it's a primary. Okay, click on next. Okay, it's showing there is an error selecting partition. Okay, click on OK. And okay, now see if the option we can click on delete partition. Okay, click on delete partition. Now try to select this one. Okay, unallocated. Okay, now click this one and click on next. Wait for a few minutes. Okay, it's on. Install Windows 11. Okay, keep nothing. Okay, now click on install button. So it's ready. Alright, it's completed and we can see our Windows icon. It's loading. It's asking for the country and region. Okay, let me select United States. Yes. Okay, yes. Skip. I don't have the name. Okay, I can put my name. Add in. Click on next. Enter password. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, confirm password. I like cat. Oh, second security question. What's your child nickname? Okay, this one. Next. Okay, you can put yes. Next. Next. Accept. Okay, showing that this might take a few minutes. Don't turn off your PC. Okay, will not. Alright, now it's totally completed as you can see. Okay, so if you want to partition your disks, the M.2 SSD that is on your laptop, so also no worry, you can do it from here again. So first you need to look for the computer management. You can click on it and make sure that you have administration privilege. So from here on the storage we can see disk management. Click on it. Okay, so here as you can see disk 0, there's the option. See, this is your SSD. So from here you can extend your SSD. You can partition your SSD space, or you can allocate new space. Okay, so bye bye for today. See you then. Bye.